OnlineClinic Honest Review. Watch before using. Links to OnlineClinic are in the description. Let's get straight to the point. What is OnlineClinic? Who is it for? And is it worth using? OnlineClinic is a telemedicine platform that provides access to licensed doctors for consultations, prescriptions, and treatment plans. It's designed for people who need fast, reliable medical advice without visiting a physical clinic. The service covers common health concerns like infections, skin conditions, men's and women's health, and chronic conditions. Key features include an easy-to-use platform where you can fill out a medical questionnaire, get matched with a doctor, and receive a prescription if approved. Everything is done online, saving time and eliminating unnecessary doctor visits. OnlineClinic operates with certified professionals, ensuring legitimacy and compliance with medical regulations. It's best for busy professionals, travelers, or anyone who needs quick medical assistance without waiting for appointments. However, it's not a replacement for in-person emergency care or complex medical diagnoses. Pricing varies based on the treatment, but it's generally more affordable than private consultations. Pros: fast service, licensed doctors, and convenient prescription handling. Cons: limited to specific conditions and not available in all regions. Final verdict: if you need a hassle-free online medical consultation, OnlineClinic is a solid option. But if you require in-depth diagnostics or emergency care, you should visit a traditional doctor. Links are in the description. Check it out if it fits your needs.